Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the PowerPoint presentations. So here I have taken the PPT, that is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I'm using the 365 version. You can have any of the version and you can work according to your particular version. Now, I'm going to start a new blank presentation. Just select here. You will be redirected here to the new presentation. Because this is the highest version of the PowerPoint which I am having. So here are the all new features which are available. So now the first thing which I want you to know is insert option. So all these options are available in your version also, that is the file, home, insert, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, view and help. But few of the options are available only in this version. So we are going to explore those options. I'm just selecting the insert option and here you can have the images. So when I select pictures, I'm having this device, that is the pictures which are available on my desktop, the stock images and the online pictures. The most beneficial part of stock images is these are royalty-free images. It means I'm not going to go under any of the copyright issue if I'm going to use any of the available pictures here in the stock images. I can use them without having the copyright problem. So you can select any of the image from this. Let us suppose if I select this and if I insert it, I can have this image here. So these are the stock images, which is the best option which is available in the Microsoft 365. The second option which is available here is the design part. So these are the design ideas in which I can have my presentation. This is actually available in the home. If you want to have the options for this, I have just inserted one image from the stock images. And if I want to have the slide like this, you can have it, or there are many options available here. You can select any of the option and use it as a slide. So if I go for this, the slide will be converted like this. Just give your title here and you can have the first design idea. The second design idea is like this. You can have it. The next is this. You can use your slide like this. The next idea which is available here is this. This is the next idea. You can have any text here and you can use this slide like this. Then you can have something like this or this. And if you want to see more other designs ideas, you can have it with the integrated services which are available here. You can go for this or this or this. So these are the beautiful things which are available in this version, that is 2020 version. You can have them and you can enjoy the things. Stay tuned.